This is a demonstration of how we can use Dynamo to speed up or streamline our project setup process. Let's look at the script. You can see this one is fairly detailed, but we'll look at some of the key parts of it, or I'll just describe it. What it's going to do is it's going to identify the levels in the project, then figure out which ones it needs to make views for. This uses the building story property. So this is sort of something that you will have to coordinate with architects about. If we look at our model, we can see in this case there's only 3 levels, but sometimes we have different parapet and other levels. So we can see we want to look for levels that are building stories. Orange boxes are direct user inputs. So here we would enter, or we would select the configuration file. Then it's going to create reference views to base all the other views off of. And then based on the configuration file, it will build the view names and assign the view templates. It does use scope boxes to create dependent plans, but if those aren't included in the project, then it will bypass that. Then it will break down the view names and build sheet names and sheet numbers. The last input that is required is to select the title block. All right, we'll select our title block, and then we'll need to connect the views to the create sheet node. Let's run it and see how it works out. It is a lengthy script, so it does take a little bit of time to run, but it definitely helps with the scaling of project setup. So if you've got a lot of views you want to create, especially across a lot of levels, really can speed the setup process up. So if we go back to our model, you can see that we have floor plans and ceiling plans. If we expand these, we can see how it's created floor plans for each level across each discipline for each of the specific sub-discipline plans. So electrical has power, mechanical has ductwork, piping, and composites. And then for area plans, it's created dependent views for the 2 scope boxes that are in this project. If we look at sheets, it's created and numbered sheets for each of those views. If you have questions about, or if there's an interest, I can go in more detail over how the script is set up and what it's actually doing. But just wanted to throw this out there as an idea and get you guys thinking about it.